Hey everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just doing a shop blog slash update. I'd like to see if I can get everyone's opinion now. I have this workbench here that I've made up. I've got my wash tub under, which I will be doing a video making some legs up for that, so I can put that somewhere else. So I can free that area up now. I've got these two old school desks here that I use to put stuff on. Now, just wondering what everyone thinks, if I should move that bench all the way in line with this bench, or should I leave it roughly where I've got it and put all the metal shaping stuff over down here. next video. Stay safe and keep the rebel side down. Cheerio.